How to create a PayPal account, step-by-step guide for beginners. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a PayPal account. Whether you want to shop online, send money, or receive payments, setting up a PayPal account is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and simply go to paypal.com. You can also download the PayPal app from the App Store or Google Play Store. On the home page, you can simply find an option called Login or Sign Up for Free. Simply tap on it. Now what you need to do is simply you'll be asked to enter your email address. Simply do that. Now you'll be prompted to simply enter your phone number. Simply do that. Now it will send you a verification code to your phone number. Simply enter it. Now you'll be prompted to enter or create a password. Simply do that. Now all you need to do is simply enter your personal info, that is your nationality, your first name, middle name, last name, and your date of birth. Once you've done that, click on next and click on agree and continue, and you'll be prompted to enter your city or district. Click on done and simply enter your postal code, and you'll be able to create your account.